$30,000 were taken by the agency. Do you feel that as a creator that you have worked with a brand and you would have felt like, okay, it's great money, but why me?
I'm just that person who's confused right now about social media and how it works.
Whenever I have worked with any macro creator, we have handpicked them and the objective has been very clear.
When a brand is asking for the insight, are they sure that insight is an actual insight into the person and their influence?
We as brands approach you, we have to be very cognizant of the fact that why are we coming to you?
Till only 10 years ago, it didn't exist the way it does today.
There has to be a way more dignified way of looking at the work.
It's like लड़की देखने जाओ.
हाँ,
vibes.
फिर पकोड़ा
लड़की
कैसा
चलती
बनाती है, अब मैं
कैसा
चख के बताऊंगी.
I'm in such a conflict internally also when I have to talk to a brand when a brand comes like
I actually didn't realize creators are so harsh on themselves.
As a brand, when you have to choose an influencer, do you use an agency? Do you do it yourself? Which is a more convenient way, and what are the challenges?
See, while I appreciate that they are working like a matchmaker for me at Foco, what I long for is a further value addition.
They paid $45,000 and eventually they realized only $15,000 were paid to the creator. $30,000 were taken by the agency. And that's when they thought that, there is a gap here.
It is the industry and hence where it is required that certain middlemen come into the picture to organize all of it.
That was something that I was very happy with editors. And that's when they thought that, there is a gap here. And if there is a platform that brings influencers and brands on a single platform together, and if there is a transparency of this kind, then that will work wonderfully well even for the creator.
I want to have Meta as a fourth participant in this conversation.
Now, this kind of understanding is very difficult to share to an agency or a client or a brand.
You've never allowed a boost?
That's amazing.
Can I know why? I'm just interested.
Yeah, because
It's different for me, but I'm enjoying it.
babe, cha. Okay? So that you are also coming.
Thank you. Then yes, wow, I love this. Thank you.